TheVirginRose here. We actually picked up the latest trend. This is called a fidget spinner. For those of y'all that aren't sure exactly what this is, basically there was a guy actually on South Main Street in High Point selling these. Basically, they run about like $5 and they go up to $5,000. They are gonna get some glow-in-the-dark ones. Also some that light up as well. Sometime next week in the background, just watch some True Blood and edit a new video. But anyway, yeah, basically we're gonna go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. Got a car and Frisk actually in the background or whatnot. Those are the two cats there. Alright, we're opening her up there. Slide her on out. Put her down there. Alright, the package. Okay, here we go, guys. It's got some weight to it too. But basically, this is, you basically, I guess, hold it like this, and then you just spin it. Oh, look at that! Isn't that neat? Oh man, this is really addictive. It's really fun. It's like crazy fun. I wonder if I can flip it the other way. Let me see. Not as fast. Definitely had to take some. Look at that. Feel like a Ninja Turtle. Got my Pokemon hat there. But yeah, but these are called fidget spinners, guys. They're really popular. They're like a new popular trend or whatnot. My cat's like going crazy. Like he's like, "What is that?" He's like, "Oh man." But yeah, but this thing's pretty cool. I like it. Like it's like, try to get it going there. There you go. There we go. And it goes a while, like it's like still going. But that's that, guys. I love you guys. It's going down.